Now, I find a very good number of class 10 students. Those are present in class in this classroom, and almost the places what we have made for one classroom, almost all the seats are filled. It shows that you all are very much interested in your studies. So I welcome you, my dear students, in the e-learning classes as well as in that physical guidance class of St. Michael's Academy. Now we are discussing about height and distance. The basic concept we have gone through. Then height and distance questions of class 9 is an interrelation between two things of a right triangle. What are these two things, bacho? Sides and acute angle. So among these sides and acute angle, what are given? One acute angle and any two sides. Out of these three, we have given the information of two. And from these two information, we have to establish the relation between T ratio and have to find the value of the third. That we have gone through and check it out in question number 1 and 2. Now after that we are going to see some more, I cannot say difficult questions, but the second level of questions. Okay? I will tell you. Okay. Now see question number 7. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower at the top of 20-meter high building is 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. Now onwards, the questions that you have gone through, you'll find that more than one right triangle is formed. And what is the speciality and what is the characteristics when you find more than one right triangle? You'll find that any one of the side of this two right triangles or sometimes three right triangles, one side is common. एक से ज्यादा राइट ट्रायंगल होंगे, आप एक से ज्यादा जब एक्शन ट्रायंगल दिए होंगे तो आपको एक से ज्यादा राइट ट्रायंगल बनेंगे बच्चों. लेकिन एक से ज्यादा जो राइट ट्रायंगल बनेंगे उसमें आप देखिएगा कि एक साइड क्या होगा हमारा कॉमन होगा. चलिए इस क्वेश्चन को हम डिस्कस करते हैं. फ्रॉम ए पॉइंट ऑन द ग्राउंड द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building is 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. This is question number 7. Here, question number 7. Now here, A, B and C. This is the ground. This is the ये क्या हो गया बच्चों हमारा ग्राउंड हो गया. अब देखिए, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top and bottom of a transmission tower. ये हमारा क्या हो गया बच्चों? This is the transmission tower. This transmission tower is fixed. Tower is fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building. This is 20-meter high. ये क्या हो गया बच्चों हमारा building हो गया. This is 20-meter high building. On this 20-meter high building there is a Airtel tower. Tower. Okay. And this is the point on the ground. From this point, the angle of elevation of the top of the building and the top of the tower are given 45 degree and 60 degree. So this angle we have given 45 degree and this angle we have given 60 degree. Is it clear? Once more I would like to explain this question. I have given a transmission tower which is fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building. So this part is the transmission tower and the lower part is the 20-meter high building. And this is the bottom of the building. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the building is 45 degree and the angle of elevation on to the top of the transmission tower is 60 degree. Okay. Now what you have to find here in this question? क्या हमको find out करना है बच्चों? Find the height of the tower. हमको क्या निकालना है? We have to find the height of the tower. Let height of tower is equal to h. इसको हम काम क्या मान लेंगे बच्चों? h मान लेंगे. Okay. Now what I told you, in this type of question you find more than one right triangle, but what you find, one side is common. So what are the two right triangles? Right triangle AC D and right triangle BCD. ACD and BCD. In these two right triangles, which side is common? CD is common. Okay. Then what we do from this triangle, this right triangle, we have given 45 degree one acute triangle, we have given one side, then we are in the condition to find the value of DC. For this 45 degree, this 20 meter which is which side of right triangle? Perpendicular. This is the perpendicular and this one is the base. Which T ratio has between perpendicular and base? So we are getting in right triangle BCD, tan 45 degree is equal to 20 upon CD, 20 upon CD, and tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So CD is equal to 20 meter. And this CD can be also applicable in which right triangle? ACD. Then what will we write here? In right triangle ACD. Now tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree. For this 60 degree, what is the perpendicular?
20 plus
AC. That is equal to AC. And what is the base? CD. What is the base? CD. The tan 60 degree is equal to 20. AC is equal to, as this boss has said, Ayan, क्या बोले बेटा? Is equal to H plus 20. H plus 20. And the value of CD is equal to 20. Do the cross multiplication. H plus 20 is equal to 20 root 3. So H is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. Take 20 as a common, root 3 minus 1. That is equal to 20 into 1.73 minus 1. That is equal to 20 into 0.73 meter. 2 3 ja 6 and 2 7 ja 14 10. That is 14.6 meter. Okay. So in this type of question where you have given two acute triangles, when you draw the correct figure, you will find two right triangles, and in these two right triangles you will find that one side is common. If the value of that side is given, okay, we will move ahead. It is not given, the first try to find the value of that common side, because that common side is also applicable for the other right triangle, and with the help of that we will find the required thing. So my dear students, please try to solve as more questions as you can from the first from NCERT book. Welcome, you can solve try to solve questions from side books like R.S. Agrawal or R.D. Sharma. If you have doubt, I will take your doubts. Till then, all the best. God bless you.